Okay, I'm on the other side of the truck, the passenger side. I've taken my first pass, wet sanding it, knocked off a lot of the oxidation and a lot of the surface rust. There's still a lot of surface rust on there. I'll get a little closer. See all that? That's steel all in there. We'll see how that works out. I might keep sanding some of those spots, or see what the polishing compound will do. But made some progress today during lunch, so that's good news. The goal is to get it as shiny as the hood, but I'm a long ways from it. I still want to polish the hood a couple more times. So, love to make progress.